In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product recommendations to the Shopify cart page. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. When it loads, you should be on the home page. On the left side, you'll see the main sidebar with all of the store sections listed there. This is where we'll move between products, themes, and the cart page layout. Click Products in the left sidebar. When the product area opens, click Collections from the submenu. In the upper right area, click Create Collection. You'll now be on the collection setup page. In the title field, type recommended product title for the collection. Enter that exactly as the collection name, so this group is easy to identify when we connect it to the cart page. After that, go to the collection type area and select Manual. This tells Shopify that you want to choose the products yourself instead of having them added automatically by conditions. Now scroll down until you reach the Products section. Click Browse. A product picker will open so you can choose the items you want to feature as recommendations. Select 3 to 4 products that make sense as cross-sell recommendations. As you click each product, it will be marked for inclusion in this collection. Once you've chosen the products, click Add. That returns you to the collection page, where those selected products will now appear in the products list for this collection. Go to the upper right corner and click Save. Next, move to the theme editor so you can place this collection on the cart page. In the left sidebar of Shopify admin, click Online Store. Then click Themes in the submenu. If it is not already open, on your current theme, click Edit Theme. This opens the visual theme editor where you can choose a page template and add sections to it. At the top center of the editor, click the Page Selector dropdown. It will usually show Home Page by default. Open that dropdown, then select Cart from the list. The preview area updates to the cart page template. And now you are editing the layout for the cart specifically. In the left sidebar of the editor, look below the existing cart sections and click Add Section. A panel with available section types will appear. Scroll through the section list until you find Featured Collection, then click it. As soon as you do that, a new Featured Collection section is added to the cart page preview. Now configure this new section so it displays the products you selected earlier. In the left sidebar, click the new Featured Collection section to open its settings. Find the heading field. It will contain default text. Click into that field and replace it by typing. You might also enter those words exactly so the cart page shows a clear recommendation heading above the products. Next, click the collection setting inside this section. When the collection picker opens, choose the collection you just created. This connects the section to your manual recommendation list so the products shown here come directly from that collection. After that, find Maximum Products to Show and set it to 4. This ensures the section can display up to 4 recommendation items from the collection. Then look for Number Columns on Desktop. If you want each product to appear in its own column, adjust that setting to 4 as well. Once those settings are in place, go to the upper right corner of the theme editor and click Save. At this point, the main setup is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now preview the cart page to confirm the recommendation section appears correctly. At the top of the theme editor, click the eye icon to open a preview of your store. This launches the storefront preview in a new view so you can test the customer experience directly. From the preview store, add any product to the cart. After the product is added, navigate to the cart page. Once the cart page opens, look below the cart items. You should now see the recommendations section with the heading you might also and underneath it, the products from your collection will be displayed on the cart page. That means your Shopify cart page now includes product recommendations pulled from the collection you created, so customers see those curated items right before checkout.